Hi there. Merry Christmas. I'm Anna.
Merry Christmas. I'm David. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Are you a friend of Tom's?
Oh, yeah. Tom and I went to college together. We've been close ever since. How about you?
Oh, Tom's actually my cousin. He's like the big brother I never had.
That's great. He's such a great guy. I can see why everyone loves him.
Absolutely. And he really knows how to throw a party, doesn't he?
For sure. I mean, look at this place. So festive. And don't even get me started on the food.
Oh, the food is amazing. I already went back for seconds. Did you try those little stuffed mushrooms?
I did, and they were incredible. But I think I've eaten my weight in those gingerbread cookies.
You're not alone. I told myself I'd stop after two, but here we are.
So, Anna, when you're not indulging in cookies at Christmas parties, what do you do?
I work in marketing. I help small businesses create campaigns to grow their brands.
That sounds really interesting. I'm a graphic designer, so I guess we're in similar fields.
That's true. Graphic design is such a big part of marketing. What do you usually work on?
Mostly logos and branding. I love creating designs that really capture a business's identity.
That's so cool. It must feel great to see your work out there in the world. So, David, are you from around here, or are you visiting for the holidays?
I live here now. I moved a few years ago for work and ended up falling in love with the city. What about you?
Same here. I moved here about 3 years ago for my job. It's such a great place, especially during Christmas.
Totally. The city feels magical this time of year with all the lights and decorations. Do you have a favorite spot?
I love the park with all the fairy lights. It's so peaceful and pretty. How about you?
That's a great choice. For me, it's the coffee shop on Fifth Avenue. It has this cozy vibe, and their hot chocolate is the best.
Oh, I know that place. Their hot chocolate is amazing. We might have more in common than I thought.
Looks like it. Do you have any fun Christmas traditions?
Well, I always watch old Christmas movies with my friends, and we bake cookies together. It's kind of our thing. You?
That sounds fun. For me, it's more about relaxing with family and eating way too much food.
Food definitely makes the holidays better. Do you cook too, or just enjoy what others make?
I cook a little, but I'm better at eating. What about you? Are you a chef in disguise?
Not quite, but I do love baking. My friends say I make a mean chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake? Huh? Now I'm curious. You might have to prove that someday.
Careful what you wish for.
So, Anna, do you have any plans for tomorrow evening?
Not yet. Why? What's on your mind?
Well, I was thinking, since we seem to get along so well, maybe we could grab dinner? There's this Italian place downtown I've been meaning to try.
That sounds lovely. I love Italian food. What's the name of the place?
It's called Bella Vita. It's small and cozy, and I've heard their pasta is amazing.
Perfect. What time were you thinking?
How about 7 p.m.? That way we can beat the late crowd.
7 works for me. Should we meet there, or do you want to pick me up?
If you're comfortable with it, I'd be happy to pick you up.
Sure, that sounds great. Let me give you my address.
Great. Here, let me save your number too, just in case.
Got it. Oh, and what's your favorite dish, so I know what to expect you ordering?
Definitely lasagna. I'm a sucker for a good, cheesy lasagna. What about you?
I can't resist a good risotto. It's my go-to comfort food.
Risotto is a solid choice. All right, tomorrow at 7 it is. I'm really looking forward to it, Anna.
Me too, David. It's been so nice talking to you tonight.
Same here. Enjoy the rest of the party, and I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Merry Christmas again.
Merry Christmas, Anna.